Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So is anyone else looking forward to fall? I know I am. Fall's my favorite time of the year. Speaking of fall, I have two exquisite Longchamp handbags that I will be unboxing today in this video. These are ready to make a statement for this fall and winter time. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So let's begin with this bag on the bottom. So I picked this up from Nordstrom Rack. This is the Le Pliage. This is the LGP convertible top handle bag. This is in the size small. I love how sturdy this canvas is. It just seems like a thicker canvas than the usual originals line small. So this is kind of in the black and red colorway. The red is definitely a deep red. It is definitely muted and looks really nice with the black. So it has the black cowhide leather. It has silver hardware. And if you look closer, so on closer inspection of this bag, you'll see a graphic maze print revealing the Longchamp monogrammed logo. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and take the packaging off here so we can get a better look at it. When I saw this bag at Nordstrom Rack, I jumped on it so fast. I was so afraid I was going to sell out before I could get it. I have been eyeing this bag for quite some time. This is beautiful. So let's see what this strap looks like. Okay. So there is the strap. I'll show you a closer look at that in just a minute. So has the silver snap closure, the beautiful embossed horse and jockey, and again, beautiful cowhide leather on the handles. So then this zipper, this is like a really chunky zipper. It looks like a nice one. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's like a heavy duty zipper. And this zipper pull is really nice. So it looks like this zipper pull is made out of, looks like plastic. So it's black plastic. It's got this really pretty long zipper pull. This is leather. And then it has the little clasps for the strap. It's neat the color blocking on here. So this side is white. This one is black. And then it has this really cute leather zipper pull. This adds a little bit of uniqueness to the bag. So that's nice. Let's look inside the bag. Ooh, that's pretty. I think you could easily find your items with that lining. Has a giant slip pocket. Put your phone in there. On this side, you have another much smaller pocket. Still really nice. That is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put in a organizer that I picked up from Amazon. It's not the exact size. This is just one I had. But I did want to see what it looks like because I very much enjoy a structured bag. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, I really like that. Let me move this. So that is what the bag looks like with an organizer inside. That is so pretty. The colorway for me is definitely a fall winter bag. It is so pretty. Okay, so let me undo the strap so you guys can get a better look at this one. So again, it has the silver hardware, has a nice touch with the horse and jockey right there. Let's open this up. Nice. So on the ends, it's got the leather, beautiful clasp. And then it kind of reminds me of like a nylon strap. So like a travel bag would definitely have a strap like this. Super pretty, really nice strap. So it is removable, but it is not adjustable. So keep that in mind. It is not adjustable, but let's go ahead and put this clasp on here. Okay, let me set this down. Not as easy as I thought it was going to be. So, okay, that's nice. That worked really well. Let's go ahead and attach this one as well. Okay, that's really a nice strap. It's nice and thick. It's not going to cut into your shoulder. You could easily crossbody that. It is long enough for a crossbody. That's just a really pretty bag. So the dimensions on this bag are 6 inches high, and it is 15 inches in width, and then it is 6 inches wide or deep. So like I said, I purchased this from Nordstrom Rack. I paid about $150 for this bag. I thought it was a great looking bag. I can't wait to wear this fall and winter. It is such a pretty colorway. I love the black with this kind of deep red. It's very muted, and it just looks really, really classy and clean like most Longchamp bags do. I feel like this is a great everyday bag, and I feel like it will definitely hold all of the essentials for me. So that is the Le Pliage LGP convertible top handle bag that I picked up. So if you guys have this bag, tell me if you're enjoying it. I'm very excited to have this in my collection. Like I said, it's just something different. I don't have anything like this, and it's just a really great bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and open my next bag. So this bag is a much smaller bag. I'm actually really excited about it. Let's go ahead and open it up so I can show you what I have. So this is the extra small Le Pliage jockey leather top handle bag. And let me close this so I can show you what it looks like. Let me take this off so I can show you what this bag looks like in its entirety without all this plastic. Let's take that off. Oh, this is cute. I love the size on this. This is in the color mahogany, and it just screams fall to me. This is that beautiful fall vibe that I am so excited for. I am ready for fall. I'm ready for those Starbucks drinks, the crisp leaves under your feet when you walk, those delicious pumpkin muffins, and of course, the smell of fall candles. So good. But anyway, the extra small Le Pliage jockey leather top handle bag, and it has this beautiful embossed Longchamp, nice and neat and clean right there. It has this gold hardware. It's so pretty. It also has this beautiful embossed horse and jockey. So pretty. I love how preppy this bag is with the horse and jockey on the front. It's a nice, soft, but yet thick leather. It feels really, really nice. Good quality for sure. So on the back, it has Longchamp. So pretty. Again, this color, mahogany, is so nice. So then it has the little top handle, and then it has the snap closure, and as with all Longchamp bags, a really good zipper. Nice. let's go ahead and take the stuffing out, and ooh, we'll have a closer look at the strap in just a minute. Let's check out the inside of this bag. So it does have a bit of a dark interior. So it's not going to be as easy to find stuff, but it is a small bag, so I think it'll be fine. It does have a small zip pocket. I just want to make sure you can see the color of the lining. So pretty. And it's just on this side there is a pretty large slip pocket, which is nice to put your phone. So really, really pretty. Oh, it smells good. So I also love this little pop of color. So it has it there as well as on the little handles. So pretty. Now, this is a very structured bag. You're not going to need an organizer unless you just want a little organizer. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is definitely one I have been eyeing for a while. I wasn't sure if I wanted it in size small or this extra small color, but it is so beautiful. I'm so glad I picked it up. So let's see what this strap looks like. This is pretty. I love how different this is. Just add something extra to the bag. So again, it's got that really nice thick strap. It has Longchamp. I love the pink. That is so pretty. So nice. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so again, it does have the horse and jockey right there. Pretty. And then it has the gold hardware on this bag. So let's go ahead and put this nicely. Let's do this side. Really nice. Okay, again, great crossbody bag, great shoulder bag, and of course you can easily have it as a top handle. It's so cute. It is such a cute bag. So let's look at the dimensions on this. So this is 6.7 inches across, 6.7, and then it is 5.5 inches high, and then the depth of the bag is 3.9 inches across there deep. So it's a great size bag. So this ended up being $505. So it is not super inexpensive, but again, the quality of Longchamp is definitely there, especially this leather is like a thick yet soft leather, and it's such a pretty bag. I just love that colorway. It's so pretty. So I did want to show you what this would look like next to the pouch with handle, just for a size reference, so you can see the difference. So as you can see, quite a bit of difference in height. I would say probably a good 2 inches in height, and then maybe an inch in the length. And then if you were to put them side by side, quite a bit thinner on the pouch with pocket. But just wanted to show you just what they look like. So this one's quite a bit bigger than the pouch with handle. Such a pretty bag. So I hope you enjoyed this Longchamp fall and winter handbag unboxing video. If you did, it would mean so much to me if you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can share more upcoming fall and winter handbag reviews and unboxings with you guys. So until next time, bye.